Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna show you the Sony Ericsson Z750. Let's take a look. As you can see, there is a mirror. At the front we found the 2 megapixel camera, the Sony Ericsson logo and an OLED display behind it. It has a resolution of 36 pixels by 128. You can see the info like messages, calls, reminders, music, different things. Okay, at the bottom we found the Sony Ericsson connector for charger port, USB connectivity, headphones or headsets. Okay. At the left side we found the volume buttons, also the music buttons like play, stop, next song, volume up, volume down. Okay. At the top there is completely nothing. And at the right side we found the memory stick micro port. You can put up to 2 GB memory stick from Sony Ericsson also. Okay, at the back there is the Sony Ericsson logo, the speaker and the Movistar, the operator network from the phone, from Spain. I think that's all from the external. Okay, now let's open it. What we found? At the top there is the earpiece for calls, the secondly camera and a light sensor. There is the keyboard, the quick access for your favorite things, multimedia, gallery, camera, video, start call, end call, clear, internet navigator. The phone works on 3G connectivity, GSM, and the turn on off button, the silent mode. Okay, there you can see it. Let's turn it on. What to say? The phone was released in 2007 and has a 2.2 inches display with a resolution of 240 by 320 4:3 ratio. What more? It has an internal memory of 32 megabytes, but you can use from the user about 26 megabytes. There is the main menu. There we can find mobile TV via internet connectivity, emotion, that is the navigator, internet navigator from Movistar, entertainment, there we found some apps and games from Sony Ericsson like Track ID for find the titles of the songs, video DJ, photo DJ, music DJ, Bluetooth. The phone has connectivity Bluetooth 2.0 with A2DP. Okay. Voice recorder and the demo of the phone. Let's take a look. Okay. What more? The camera, as I show you, it has 2 megapixels. It can record video up to resolution. Let's take a look at the camera. It says that I have now put a memory card inside, so there is my example. The next phone I will record, the Motorola. Not bad. And the video mode with night mode. What more inside the phone? The messages, the multimedia gallery, photos, music, videos, ubication services, Google Maps, as you can see. You can navigate, but the phone doesn't have a GPS antenna, okay? It only will use the 3G connectivity. The contacts, radio FM, calls, organizer and settings. Now I'm gonna show you the ringtones. Let's go to the gallery, music, ringtones. And the Movistar ringtone from the network of the phone. finally the original Sony Ericsson. Please like and subscribe for more stuff like this. Okay, that was all. Let's take a look at some wallpapers. Some GIFs. Okay, and that was a photo of me with a photo DJ or something else, a program at the phone. Okay. Videos, there is the demo tour I showed you at the start. As you can see, the phone was sold at pink color, blue and this gray. Okay, another video. And now the demos. Aerial. Floral. Glacial. And finally the movie star from the network of the phone. And let's set the first one I got. Okay, and I think nothing much has the phone. I think I talk about everything we can find inside it. I was talking about the photo DJ for take different things, modify them. Okay, so I think that was all about that Sony Ericsson. What do you think about it? Please comment below and see you soon in my next videos. Bye bye.